This tire is from 1991, and I'd say it's holding up pretty good considering. This is a core tool to let the air out. Got some soapy water to put on the bead before I break it down with a duckbill hammer. Use these bars to dismount it. I got this used tire for free. It's in much better shape. Not going to replace the valve stem or anything because this is just temporary until I get the truck back on the road. Just for rollers. All that's left is to air it up, bolt it on, and torque it down. If you want to see me bring this 1979 Cheyenne C20 back to life, head over to my channel or check out the related video. Thanks for watching.